The 2007 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has less than 35,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter six-cylinder engine. The following features are included: front bucket seats, a split folding rear seat, power door mirrors, power windows, an overhead console, and air conditioning. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We'd love to show you this vehicle in person. Call to schedule a test drive today.